Hey, what's going on, guys? Tuned in to SGK 23 TV. SGK 23 TV sneaker show back in the building. Peace and blessings to everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Stay safe. And let's get right to this review / request / a subscriber interested in it / the first time I did it a long time ago. I didn't have the research or the knowledge on these 1 out of 88 made for the world Jordan 4 Chinese New Year's, made by TheRemade. So we'll get right to it. Got the turntable as well this time. So this is what they look like. Have them shrink. This one's shrink wrapped already. I have a shrink wrap tutorial. It's not too bad. You don't need to buy the machine for the back. Keep everything A1. So, TheRemade. Here they go. They come with this little lace, you know, like hang tag, hanger, Chinese New Year type of wave. Okay, this is the box. It's a wooden box. It's TheRemade in 400 ml or milliliter collaboration on this one. Okay, so the sneakers, first of all, we're going to go through what it comes with it. The sneakers come with these, one for each. Be careful for the fakes. These are authentics. Okay, Chinese New Year. The 6 is there for a reason. Have the receipt. They come with the Chinese New Year printing. I don't know if this was a sticker or I believe these are stencils. And I'll show you the pattern on the sneakers as well. They come with this, and they come with these leather gold laces. They don't come in this Jordan bag. I put this in this Jordan bag myself. Okay. Now, TheRemade doesn't make custom sneakers. So they don't take a Jordan and customize it. They remake the Jordan or whatever sneaker they do. Okay. So these are 100% genuine leather. Best quality out of any Jordan because they're 100% genuine leather inside and out. The reason for that, as far as there's no Jumpman, there is no Nike Air or anything of that nature. You understand? You know why? Because they're remaking their shoes. That would be copyright infringement, quote unquote. The easiest way to tell the fakes from the real, obviously the shape, because they make them, it's a Jordan 4, you know, but for certain reasons, again, the easiest way to tell the fakes, because they have fakes, I've seen them, that they even duplicate the box. I don't know, I don't think they know about this. And obviously you want the original receipt invoice, 1 out of 88. The easiest way would be to find a tag, like a Jordan 4 tag. This is not going to have a tag inside. You understand? It's not going to have a UPC code because it's not from Nike. It's not from Jordan. There is no Jumpman on here. There is no Nike or anything of that nature. You understand? So they remake the shoes. In this case, all leather. Crazy leather. Get to it. So the bottoms, well, we do have a Jumpman. I don't know how they can do stuff like this. I'm not sure. Maybe the Jumpman, I don't know. But you see the bottom. White, black, red, we have a Jumpman. Creamish off-white towers. You see the white. We have this Chinese New Year patent leather right here. It goes around. On the back, you're going to have the logo. I believe this is 400 ml clothing, the logo. You see the raw leather. Hold on, this is not catching it good. There we go. You see like the raw leather. So this is like the nubuck part up here, or the suede, right up under there. You see that leather? See the leather on the strap? Oh, it's all over as far as the leather. See that? See that? All of it. You see this? Real leather. They have like this rustic red laces on them. And then on the tongue, you have a nubuck patch. With the remade, I'm assuming 400 ml clothing collabo, I'm assuming, right? See the tongue, leather. So then we go to the netting. We have this alloy gold netting. Just so you get, guys, especially my man's asked about them, get a good look at the quality. See what I'm saying? It's the Wizave. That's the Wizave. See what I'm saying? All leather guts inside. Back of the tongue inside. And then the footbed, some sort of writing. 8.5 through 10. And there's the footbed. All leather insides. All the way to the toe cap. White leather. And then everything else leather. 100% genuine leather. Then that's the nubuck, the suede area up there. Going through right around here. This as well. Going through here. Look at these joints, they're crazy. See, you can see the quality. When they do python, they do python. When they do leather, they do leather. Like a cherry candy paint right here. Then again, patent leather. Type of glossy type of feel. Real sleek. Same joint as those. I'm thinking those are stencils to do something with the sneakers. I'm not sure. Maybe to put it over the netting. Maybe to go over this and kind of have like the same printing. I'm not sure. You dig? But that's it. So no Nike, no Jumpmans, except on the bottom. No ticket, no snatch inside. UPC code or anything of that nature, because that would come from Nike or Jordan or something like that. You dig what I'm saying? And the box, let me see. And yeah, you know, each one has one of these. Very live. Again, this, I believe these are the stencils. Original receipt. They come with these dope gold laces. Not in this bag, I put them there. And yeah, this was in there too, or I might have put it there. And that's the box. The box is it's real wood, and it's burnt. Everything is burnt in for real, for real. You know, to ship these, you know, it's a hassle. You got to make sure like that it's fragile, wrap it in bubble wrap or something, because shipping a box like this, it'll break. Everything is burnt in like real old school Chinese joint where you can feel it, unlike the fakes. The fakes, you can just look at the shape. Be careful, because you know when they remake shoes or even custom shoes, the fakes will do them, like the Louis Vuitton Off-Whites, which was just a custom sneaker, but they're out there as unauthorized. You can just tell by the shape. It doesn't look the same. Most likely he's gonna have a ticket, a snatch inside, with some sort of Nike Jordan thing, and the original invoice. I don't know why they put 6. I'm assuming, again, for copyright reasons, to throw things off. But you can see these are the 4s, 10.5 from the Remade. 1 out of 88 made for the world. So 1 out of 88, I'm assuming you have size 6 through 12, so maybe there's 4 in each size or something like that. I don't know what the math is on it exactly, but yeah. Real rare. Size 10.5 on these. But again, the Remade X400 ML, they don't do custom shoes. It's not a custom shoe. This is a Jordan 4 Chinese New Year remade with 400 ml clothing collaboration. A remake. So when they do alligator, it's alligator. When they do leather like this, it's real leather, 100% genuine, inside and out. The new buck, the leather, it's all leather at the end of the day. Real alloy. Dope touch. Red, kind of like a varsity type of red, but it's got like a sleek shine finish to it. I'm sure you can see it. It's got like a sleek finish. And on the strap, like you can see the cut, like raw leather. But it has like a sleek type of finish on it, if that makes sense. Toe cap, toe box, blam blam. Jordan 4 Chinese New Year. These were, I don't know what year it was, 16, 17, something like that. Yeah, and that's it. This could use a good 25 minutes or something, but I'm trying to shorten the videos up. This is the longest one, pause, that I'm doing. You know, see the alloy on the back. Patch on the tongue, again, everything. So that's the difference that I got wrong the first time. I thought they customize something. No, they take it and they remake it with real genuine leather, alligator, crocodile, stingray, you name it. And it's not Nike by Jordan or anything of that nature. You feel me? Peace and blessings. Stay up, thumbs down, comment, let me know what you think. And to my mans that asked, here goes a cool little review for you with the professional specs after contacting the Remade. They have a dope. They do dope remakes. The Jordan 11 they did the same year as these ones were pretty dope. They always do dope joints. They're just super expensive because they manufacture 1 out of 88 and they make them. You know what I mean? A lot of this stuff is by hand, and because it's like if Jordan put out 100% genuine leather sneaker. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like the Pinnacle snakeskins, $550 box price, but still not genuine 100%. So when you're dealing with that, you're dealing with these type of prices. 1 out of 88. Peace and blessings. Stay up. And yeah, that's it for this one. Bye, guys.